Have you ever wondered how to make these time lapses? And do you want to make them on your own? In fact, there are very many tutorials on this, but not on how to make them on your smartphone. Yes, you heard right. You can make those time lapses on your smartphone. I found a method to play Minecraft Java on any mobile device. And with this, I'm a fantastic hello to today's video. Yes, as you see, this video is a different one. I recently discovered something insane and I want to share this with you. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And now, let's start. So, first thing to know is I make those videos with a modification of Minecraft called Replay Mod. But the problem is, the Replay Mod only works for Minecraft Java Edition. It doesn't work for Windows 10 Edition, it doesn't work for Pocket Edition, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, it only works for Minecraft Java Edition. So when we want to use Replay Mod on our smartphone, we need to get Minecraft Java Edition on our smartphone. Presumably all of you know Java Edition only works on computer. But I found an app to make Java Edition on smartphones and tablets possible. The app is called Podshaf Launcher. I have no idea if I pronounced it correctly, but I just call it Podshaf. So the Podshaf Launcher should be in the App Store or Play Store, but I didn't found it. Perhaps it depends on the country where you're from. But I didn't found it there, so I found a website where you also can download it if you don't find it in the App or Play Store. If you download it from the website, you need to install it manually. Therefore, you might have to activate the installation from unknown apps for your files. In order to be able to play with mods, you have to install Fabric or Forge. It depends on the version of Replay Mod if you have to take Fabric or Forge. Then you go into the Podshaf Launcher and you log in with your Java account from your computer. After the account migration, you have to take the Microsoft login. Then you click on Install Jar and you select the Fabric or Forge file. And here you can select the Minecraft version you want to play in, and then you have to click on Install. Now click on Play. You can close it as soon as you are in the menu. Then we install the Fabric API and the Replay Mod. Now check if you can open the files for the Podshaf Launcher at this location. I couldn't find them, so I installed this file manager. Open the file manager, click 2 times on Next, and activate the All Files access for the file manager. With this app you should be able to find this folder, and then you just have to copy the Fabric API and the Replay Mod into the mods folder. If you want to play with other mods, just put them also into the mods folder. You don't need the replay mod for other mods to work, but you need the Fabric API for most mods to work, at least if you're playing in Fabric. If you're playing in Forge, you don't need the Fabric API either. If everything works, you should have this button. It's from the replay mod. There you will find all recordings. With those arrow keys you can walk, with the middle button you can sneak. Breaking blocks and building blocks is exactly like in Pocket Edition, so by just clicking on your screen. With this button you can hide all other buttons. Now you can also see in the top left corner the sign from the replay mod. It records the world in the background. After closing the world, it saves the recording to the place in the menu which I showed you before. With this button you can open the inventory. This button is for the right hand and this one for the left hand. Obviously with chat you can open the chat, and with keyboard you can use the keyboard. With the mouse button you can show the cursor. The button debug shows you all information, and with the button third you can change the perspective. This button is for jumping. The escape button isn't in the game, it's created by myself. You can create buttons by swiping to the left and there you see all options. There's one huge problem with the replay mod on your smartphone. You can't render videos. At least I couldn't. For rendering videos you have to install the FFmpeg, but it didn't work for me. The only solution is to send the replay recordings to your computer and render them there. You can find your recordings at following path. The recordings are all MCPR files. I hope I could help you. Perhaps there'll be a second video of this kind about cross-playing Java Bedrock, for which I found a solution. Now a very important information. On the 6th of November I'm going to the States, and I'll be there for 9 months. I don't know how many videos I'll be able to make, so I have been pre-producing videos, and this since June. Currently 6 are completely finished and 3 are in progress, but there shouldn't be a lack of content. I'll also be able to make some videos in the USA, but I don't know how many and if it's possible for me to record audio. So making tutorials may be difficult. But one tutorial is already finished and one is in progress. If you want to stay updated, you can follow me on Instagram. And now have a nice day and see you next month.